expiry date. Don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow will bring. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. Life is a one-time offer. Use it well. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Don't be impressed by money, followers, degrees, titles. Be impressed by humility, integrity, generosity, kindness. If you are positive, you'll see opportunities instead of obstacles. Never believe you are above or below anyone. Keep a humble spirit. You don't inspire others by being perfect. You inspire them by how you deal with your imperfections. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. Success is the ability to go from one failure to another with no loss of enthusiasm. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. There will always be people in your life who treat you wrong. Be sure to thank them for making you strong. One day you will thank yourself for never giving up. Everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind, always. No one can motivate you until you motivate yourself. Help people even when you know they can't help you back. If you don't like where you are, move. You're not a tree. Soft-hearted people are not fools. They know what people did to them, but they forgive again and again because they have beautiful hearts. Whatever you do, good or bad, people will always have something negative to say. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it. You are presented with two choices: evolve or repeat. Nobody is superior, nobody is inferior, but nobody is equal either. People are simply unique, incomparable. You are you, I am I. I am happy to be me. I may not be perfect, but I am honest, loving, happy. I don't try to be what I am not, and I don't try to impress anyone. I am me. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.